You will not recognize this car at the end of this video. This thing is gonna be completely gutted, cleaned up, and made to look like new in just 10 minutes. So stick around, subscribe if you're new, and let's go ahead and get started on this Ford Fusion. Now throughout this video, I'm gonna drop my top detailing tools that you can pick up on Amazon. They will all be linked down below. And the first one is the drill brush, as you see here. This is a medium stiffness drill brush. They are pivotal in getting out stains in any carpet or any fabric seats, 100%. If you are a detailer, you have to have a drill brush. Now, not only was this car full of nicotine and cigarette smoke, these back seats were just soaked in some sort of drink that just spilled in these back pockets of these seats. I mean, this is juicy, juicy stuff. Now, I always get asked what vacuum I recommend, and for that, I can't help but say the VacMaster Beast. It's a smaller, wet-dry vac, but I have 4 of them. I used them for the last 3 years, and they're just a workhorse. If they can tackle cars that look like this, they can definitely handle anything you can throw at them. My next tip is what to use for cleaning your fabric in your seats, and that is using a combination of OxiClean, which is used normally around your house for a laundry, and BioBreak. BioBreak is a carpet cleaning solution that is used mostly in industrial applications, but when you mix both of them together, I have not found a better solution for any stain that I have come across inside of a car. Now, typically I would not recommend cleaning and APCing the back panel underneath your rear seat, but this car was used for herbals, and somebody definitely spilled a water pipe of some sort back here because it stunk so bad. Now, when it comes to cleaning windows inside of a car, the only suggestion I can come up with is using a product called Stoner's Invisible Glass. It is a product that I have used for probably over 20 years now, and I'm sure they've changed the formula. I have not noticed, but regardless, it is a go-to must for me, along with the Reach tool. The Reach tool allows you to get to your windshield and your rear window. It just makes life a ton easier to clean it. Definitely check it out down below in the links. Now when it comes to all these interior components here, I am spraying on an APC along with using a smaller drill brush from the drill brush set you can pick up. From an APC standpoint, I used to carry my own. I am working on developing a new formula for now, but down below I linked another competitor's brand, surprisingly, that I know works extremely well too, that I recommend you picking up. You know, the one thing that people don't realize is when you dump these extractors, all that splashing, because I have to film this and get so close, there are some particles that end up on my arms and legs and body, which is never a fun time. So don't get too close. Now for any tight corners, hard to reach spots, I use my detailing brushes, which I have those linked down below as well, along with very plush microfiber towels. Now I do have a set of microfiber towels that I've linked down below that is more of a go-to, just rugged, you kind of use them and throw them away kind of thing. And then you have your ultra plush ones that you can reuse for a long period of time. Both of those types of microfiber towels are listed down below. And the difference is the super plush ones and the different fiber type make them last longer than the cheap ones. There is a huge difference, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, definitely pick some up of both to test them out so you can tell as well.